Rwanda program, you're the Rwanda. No more is our Patricia Nebaras. To one of my fair business institute, I went to write to FBI. Forget about homosexuality bill. So we are here at FBI. We want to see what they are talking about it.
I don't support homosexuality. Name 7 to Mugamba. Tatekako mukono to give them freedom.
Anze sikiriza homosexuality basayiningeko kuba ensonga eri nti buli we bagenda okusayiningako kigenda kusigala kitukosa n'abantu bagenda kusigala nga bafa bangi kuba emabegakawo twakawulira aliwo omuvubuka gwe bakaziika nga yavuddeyo ebyenda ekitali kirungi kuba Abannayuganda tugenda kwongera okufa era nze sikikkirizaamu yadde n'akamu. Nebyo bye batugamba mbu obuyambi mbu pulezidenti wanaasayininga tugenda kuba tufuna eddagala, bw'atasayininga tugenda kuba tetufuna ddagala. Kiri fayini oba tebatuwadde eddagala bakireke naye nga nze sikisapootingamu yadde.
About the homosexuality bill, I shouldn't allow, if I'm in the government, I shouldn't allow it to be signed. Because, you know, I don't know, it was an MP who said that women are so sweet. So, actually, it is... Actually, to me, that guy who said women are so sweet is very okay to say it, because how can a man enjoy a man? How do you feel? These people who are doing homosexuality, how can you enjoy a man? What do you gain really? Those people who have never gotten like a chance to enjoy a woman, let them first try. First thing, for women are the... Let me not even talk about homosexuality, because that is arrogant. How can a man enjoy a man? What I need always...
Nze kyemmanyi ku Bisiyaga bibi tebabikkiriza mu Uganda kuba ekisooka bijjayo ekigendera ky'omukazi n'omusajja. Omukazi yatondebwa okubanga they multiply bisegeera baabagamba bajje bamultiplyinge kati we baleeta ekisiyaga kitegeeza tetukyazaala, of which is bad.
According to me, or about homosexuality, for me I could say that President should even run faster and sign the law, because let's say as if it is your brother or is your sister and they caught having sex with a fellow sister, how would you feel about it? So if there is, God created a man and a woman, that's something that can, even you as a person, you can see that is what it is quite, but let's say they caught you with a man and a man, it even sounds weird. There is no how we can say that President shouldn't sign it because they will cut the what? The money what they give them about what I fear they say about medicine, about what. If they don't want to give them the what, they should even leave it, because I think we can live as ourselves without them or without their support. That's
so my view about homosexuality is that it's very bad for the community. And I got a WhatsApp video, and okay, this is what I got. Look, you see, this guy, they are getting something from his others, and it's very disgusting. So I think it has a very bad impact in majorly the males, and that's my view about homosexuality. It is very bad for the community, so I don't support it. It's 100% wrong. Period.
We look at the biblical theme. Generally, it's man and a wife. That's why God created Adam and Eve in the first place. Now, we as Africans, we've had these norms. We have something known as the traditional norms. Yes, in a way that a man and a woman get together to give birth. Now, the Western culture wants to bring in the homosexuality, which is not part of the African society, on the other hand. On the other hand, the Bible condemns it in the first place, because it was written in Revelations that these are things that will happen in the end days, like the last days. So, personal view or opinion, it must be a man and a woman, not vice versa, not woman to woman, not man to man. That is what I can say about anti-homosexuality bill.
So I find it disgusting for a man to sleep with a fellow man.
Banange Bisiyaga banange Bisiyaga banange musanga Uganda era nga tulina ebyobwanga mu Uganda ebitugenderako juzi palamenti otwagira banga eyise etteeka eryo era nga liyinza okukulembeza waffe omulungi Museveni ayiseeko omukono naye tetumanyi yebuzabuza bwebuzabuza naye ffe tetukkiriza kitutuuba Bisiyaga tetukkiriza marriage ya muntu owa marriage ya sex ey'omuntu omu. So eyo yensonga yange Bisiyaga sibikkira era nesibwagira nako yensonga ya Bisiyaga
kintu kibi nnyo ekisooka kiri against the laws of God. Kasita okikkiriza kitegeeza oli mukookozinya Katonda. Tekyegamba Bisiyaga tebirina kukkirizibwa bigaanibwe. Ekiba kyetaaga kweyawula ku bazungu tukikole tubeere independent nga ffe.
olina ekikusiiwa olabe waliwo ekitakusanyusizza you can comment obuuze kyonna ekikusiiwa the next program mbadde omuweerezawo Patricia Nembalas.